Hey guys, so I was thinking of this video for quite a while actually. I never thought I would be making a video like this, and not many content creators share on how much they make on, YouTube or Twitch and stuff like that. But for those who don't know me, I'm JC99. You may know me as JC99 on Twitch. That is twitch.tv/JC99. I'll be leaving a link in the description, or you can type in the URL right here at the screen, or on the screen if you guys need it. But anyways, I'm about to show you guys how much Twitch streamers make every month. For me, as a small streamer, I don't consider myself as a big streamer at all. I'm sitting at almost 2.5k followers. I think I'm at 2.4k something, but Twitch registers it as 2.5k, so I'm getting close there. But I'll be showing you guys how much money I make on Twitch and to let you guys know how it's like. And I'm surprised really at that people actually donate or sub to me. Like, it truly amazes me, and because of them, if it wasn't for them guys, I wouldn't be able to jump from the old terrible streaming setup that I had over 2 years ago to how much we have made together with this setup. And I'm about to show you guys that in just a moment here, so let me show you. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my video section. I'm gonna go to featured, I'm gonna go to clips, and I'm gonna go to all clips because I don't have the VOD anymore. Twitch deletes VODs after 60 days if you're a Prime user. But I'm gonna show you guys the VOD I had actually over 2 years ago. You see this? This is me before I was an affiliate streamer. I streamed a horror game called Cry of Fear, as well as Layers of Fear 2. I don't think I have the Layers of Fear clips with me anymore, but here's a Cry of Fear footage of me if you guys want to listen to it. Hopefully you guys can listen to it, because I'm recording this, so hopefully the recording captures it. But here it is actually. No, 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 no! Oh my god. I'm not wearing my headphones right now, but I can tell how I sounded because I replayed this clip a lot. And remembered the horrors I played. Yes, I'm horrible at horror games. I know Cry of Fear isn't like a very high graphic or high quality game, but it still spooks me because I hate horror games in general. But yeah, that was my setup. No face cam, nothing. It was just the game. It was just the game and my Blue Yeti microphone that I didn't take care of that well. But compare that to my current VODs or clips I have right here actually. Compare that to this. Let me go ahead and some music playing actually. This is how my stream setup is. Oh my god, I'm happy how far I've came. But this is my starting Sue screen. I'm gonna skip that just a little bit so you can see my oh there it is. Birthdays. Oh lord, hold up a sec. It's gonna transition from starting soon to. All right, here it is. It's gonna transition to my. There you go. Hello, hey, there's me. Oh lord. Oh god. I really don't like how messy my hair gets. This is my alert. My event. Now my chat box is right here. My followers are right here, etc. I have a green screen and everything. I didn't really have a green screen when I did streams with the face cam. It was just face cam. It was just a block face cam with a horrible background, a horrible messy background. And I considered getting a green screen because I had a messy background, but yeah. And I was sitting at 69 subs. I'm still at 69 subs actually, which I really don't have an issue at all, really. I just find it funny that I'm at 69. But it really means a lot that people have actually come to my channel and donate or sub, really. I really didn't expect to get... I got my first donation or sub when I first became an affiliate on the first day, and I was genuinely surprised at how far I came, and I just want to thank you guys so much. For those who have contributed with subs or donations. Without you guys, I wouldn't be coming this far with the equipment, really. I really wouldn't have come this far. Let's go ahead and show you guys how much I make on Twitch. Let's go ahead and go to my creator dashboard and go to Insights, Last Stream Summary, Channel Analytics. If you hit $100 in the threshold, you'll get $100 every month. Right now I'm at 186. I used to get like 200 to 400 actually, maybe over the past 2 months, because of how many gifted subs you guys have gifted out to the channel, which I genuinely appreciate. Thank you. This is how much I make currently at the moment from where I'm at, actually, and I'm super grateful for it. for a small streamer. And you can imagine how many streamers be making a lot with just paid subs, prime subs, gifted subs. Most of it was gifted. Ads do not make a lot, to be honest with you guys. They really don't. Honestly, because if it was YouTube, you'd be getting a lot of ad revenue, but if it's on Twitch, you will not be getting a lot. You'll be getting a lot from cheering and stuff like that, etc. And I also have merch that, you know, you can purchase and stuff. This is how much I make at the current size that I'm at right now. I am very proud for where I'm at right now, and I couldn't be more grateful if it wasn't for you guys, really. So that's how much I make. Let me know if you guys have any questions or clarifications that I need to make. Thank you everybody so much for watching this video. Hopefully it gave you a foresight on how much money you'll be making on Twitch and stuff for those who want to take it serious. I'm gonna let you guys know it is very hard work, honestly, but at the same time, I think it's just a bonus. I'm already happy with the amount of viewers I get no matter what. Subs and donations and stuff like that are a complete bonus in the process, as well as biddies. They're all bonuses. This video isn't here to give people a heads up that, hey, you could be making this amount of money, or hey, you could take this as a job or something. I mainly use the money for stream equipment. If it were for emergencies though, if I'm like very hungry or something, I need something really quick, then yeah, that would be for emergencies, but that's a very rare situation. Majority of it goes to stream equipment, emotes, all these commissions and stuff that we'll be getting. Thank you everybody so much for watching, for listening. Hopefully this helps, and if it did, let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you guys next time for the next tutorial video on how to grow on Twitch. I love you guys so much. Take care and have a wonderful day. Peace.